Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a new application called ArtPlay. So in this video I will be displaying how to get it for free. This is a really cool method, as the other one I showed you guys did get patched. So stay tuned, stay observant for this tutorial. It's really cool and really easy. I have gotten it from this method myself. The other method got patched, but this one I assure you will not get patched. Alright guys, so watch all my instructions and do every step to ensure that you do get this application. Another announcement for all those small YouTubers out there who want to do collaborations with others, or just want to chat with other YouTubers, go ahead, click the link in the description, go to TechStand. Now this is a project that me and Legit Ezra has started, so I hope you guys do check it out. So you guys can go inside the worldwide chat, you guys can DM and chat, you can get some free methods that we have for you guys, some movie websites, some applications in the App Store that are secret and that no one knows about. Cool, amazing stuff like that guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. Also for today's video I have two very special people I will be giving a shout out to, so they will be on the screen as you guys will see. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, hit that like button, hit me up with those constructive criticisms, get some popcorn, get a sweet honey, lay back, relax, and watch this video. Alright guys, so this is how I got the application ArtPlay. So step number one, now this is real and I'm not fooling with you. I did get this for free. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it for free. Be sure to follow these simple instructions. I use this application called AppNana. Now before you start getting on me and saying, screw you, it didn't work, please listen. I've been accumulating these nanas and I'm already close to getting another said game, okay? So basically, I have 37,000 nanas, correct? That's true. Well, 37,000, let's see what I can buy. I can buy $1, and that's only from, what, a couple days of just looking at it? Fam, you can get this application free within, like, let's say 2 months, maybe a month or 2 months. Depends how much you go on here every day. Now, to get these sweet nanas, all you have to do is go onto this application, click get nanas, and then download these applications. It's so easy. You literally sit on your ass, download these applications, and I'll give you points. I've been doing this for a super long time. Now this is a really good way to get this application. Once you do accumulate a certain amount of points, you guys can go to iTunes, click on the iTunes gift card, $15, redeem it, put in your email, and they will send you the code for you guys. Super simple, super easy guys. Trust me on this, it will work. Now there's a really good way to get extra nanas. Now if you go to get nanas and there's an invite code, if you put in my invite code, it will send you 2,500 nanas. That's a lot of nanas just for putting in a simple code. So if you put in this simple code right there, it'll give you automatically 2,500 nanas. That's a good place to start and a good place to get your stuff free and honest. No surveys, no advertisements, no ad file links, none of that weird stuff. So be sure to take advantage of this before other people do. So these are simple prices, very fair, very cheap, and very simple to do guys. Hope you guys do take advantage of this. Stay tuned for some more tutorials and different methods I will come up. So if you didn't like this method, I will be coming up with more soon. Alright guys, be sure to like and subscribe guys. Hit that invite code, put it in your get nanas tab, and you should be able to get 2,500 coins. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one.